They used to run down the line to see if they can find anyone who needs help, but stopped 2 days ago when they tried to make their way to the ironworks. An engine was blocking their path, and when Henry was about to confront it, the engine charged at them and started to make unsettling loud roars. Henry was frightened and charged back down the line and back to Kildare. Apparently, several engines have passed by here recently. Henry had noticed Percy pass by that morning. He had no intent of stopping and was assumed to be going the direction of the Vicarstown Bridge. The night before Percy passed by, Gordon shot past. He didn't say anything, but all Henry could hear was him trying to scream.